The world of Forex is changing fast. What used to take analysts hours now takes artificial intelligence milliseconds. Hedge funds are already using it. Smart retail traders are catching on. The question is, are you ready for AI in Forex? AI isn't just hype anymore. It's reading market news faster than any human, analyzing thousands of indicators in seconds, and executing trades with near-perfect timing. From machine learning models predicting currency moves to bots automating entire strategies, this is the new normal. Big players like JP Morgan and Citadel are already using proprietary AI to trade currencies. But it's not just Wall Street. Retail traders are now using tools like Trade Ideas, Capitalise.ai, and even ChatGPT to generate strategies, find patterns, and build bots. The edge is no longer about who works harder, it's who works smarter. Want to get started? Check out tools like Capitalise.ai, automate strategies with plain English. MetaTrader Bots, code-free algorithmic trading. ChatGPT, generate trade ideas, analyze news sentiment. Forex Factory AI overlays, mix human insight with machine speed. These aren't for pros only, you can start with just basic knowledge. But let's be real, AI isn't magic. It can hallucinate. It doesn't understand black swan events or unpredictable central bank moves. And if your AI model is trained on bad data, it's just a faster way to lose money. You still need discipline, risk management, and human judgment. So, should you jump in? Absolutely, but start small. Learn how these tools work. Test them. Combine them with your own analysis. The future of trading is hybrid, human plus machine. If you're not evolving, you're falling behind. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in Forex and master the tools of tomorrow, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll show you how to trade smarter, step by step. See you in the next one.